What's up, everybody? All right, check this out. I have to share this with you guys. This is a 2004 Buick Rendezvous. My friend had a problem with it, and it was a random misfire. He replaced the spark plug wires, the coil packs, all the spark plugs, and the problem was still there. He was getting to the point where he was going to order a brand new computer, the ECU. But before he did that, he gave me a call, said, hey, come check this out before I pull the trigger. I went over his work and everything was perfect. Firing order, everything was legit. Now, this random misfire was so bad that in order for me to turn this car on, I had to rev the piss out of it. And once I got it running, there was so smoke coming out of the tailpipe that within 5 to 15 seconds, randomly, the car will die unless I'm revving it. So once I got it running, let me flip the camera so you can see. Running, I came over here to move the throttle up so I can diagnose it as the car is running, and I lean my hand right here as with the other hand I'm moving the throttle. And when I put my hand here, I noticed that the whole intake manifold was ice cold. There's only one thing in a car that can make the intake manifold that cold, and that is the fuel. Now if you look closely, between these two cylinders there's a vacuum line, and if you follow the vacuum line, it goes to the fuel pressure regulator. So as I'm revving the car to keep it alive, I disconnected this vacuum line and fuel was squirting out. So it means the diaphragm inside the fuel pressure regulator was damaged, ripped, broken. It was not holding vacuum anymore. So every time the car was running from the vacuum, it was pulling the fuel that it was squirting out, and as the motor's pulling it in, it was filling the whole intake manifold, filling each cylinder with too much fuel. So the moment I replaced that, and I had to rev it a little bit to clean the fuel that was still left from the problem, once it was cleaned up, that was the problem. That fixed it. It idles perfectly now. There's no problems. So if you have a 2004 Rendezvous with a random misfire, and you get into the point where you don't know what to do with it, replace that. And that is your fuel pressure regulator. And it ain't that hard to get to. All you gotta do is remove the throttle body, and then you can get to the bolts there and you can replace it. Once you install it, rev it up, clean whatever fuel is left there, and see how she performs. To me, that was a fix. So I hope this video helps you out.